for our December activity, which is we're facing lots of challenges para lang madayon nila. So Kuya Dennis once called me and then nagamba siya nga may amoni. I was hesitant at first because first ang among participants dili medyo abalo kung paano sila tipunod ang food, the transportation, and all. Yet, nagamba ko sa kukulingon ko nga I will grab this opportunity not just for me, but for the youth, for the PIA nga willing nga mag-join sa singing activity. Coming here pa lang, nag-struggle na kami sa food and the transportation. Kay tungod the Capitol, nag-alang-alang sa service. Yet, God's provide some service namon. And until now, no. Ang mananani ang balang ni Mahatma Gandhi. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourselves in service to others. And I believe that losing ourselves in service, such as our worries, our limitations, whatever man ang aton naagyan diri, the 10-item challenge. First, sa pagluto, sa wala tulog, wala kahuway, and all, is one of the ways that maghahatag sa aton sa realization kung ano aton ng values, ang aton ng worth, and ang aton ng purpose. And same as me, I believe na choosing to uplift others is the best path para sa imo makugalingon to be the best person you are right now. And this volunteerism summit is not something that we do. It's something who we are. We are a youth nga whatever issues that we are encounter, whatever issues that we are nga gina-advocate, we are the youth nga it needs action. It needs our life nga maging purposely nga iyataraton nga life sa so that even though it is just a small act lang, but still, I believe that those acts, and then with your friends, maging greater enough for the purpose. So thank you so much, Gabaan Youth Led, for inviting the PIA Negros Occidental, and I believe